Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And yes, aespa has had a comeback today. The song that I'm going to be reacting to is Next Level. Now, I did not check out the MV teaser because I want to keep myself away from all those. But I did check out the concept photos and well, they were next level. The concept photos were just next level. So I do know that they have this futuristic AI concept and I really want to see how they have integrated that particular thing on their this MV basically. So yes, I have certain expectations, but I'm not keeping them very high. Though I really enjoyed their songs, the previous two songs that I reacted to. So yes, that is why. And looking at the concept photos, I definitely have certain expectations set from them. So yes, so without dealing this any further, let's react to Next Level. All right. See? Beautiful. Oh, nice. I don't know why I love her. This Karina. I really like. She's. I don't know. She's unreal, man. I don't even know if she's a real human being. Like, she's gorgeous and her vocals are so beautiful.
Yeah, 절대적으로를 지켜 내 손을 놓지 마라. 결속은 나의
Unity is my weapon, okay?
방향으로 걸어가. 알아 내 home ground. 위협에 맞서서 제껴라. 상상도 못한 blackout. 유혹은 깊고 진해. Too hot.
Oh! The white outfits are gorgeous.
난 절대 포기 못해. I'm on the next level. 저 너머의 문을 열어. Next level. 널 결국엔 내가 부셔. Next level. 코스모에
Oh my god.
Next level.
The money they have put on this MV. That is next level.
Check it out. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. I see the new info. 적대적인 고난과 슬픔.
This is the vibe of the song is more the bad girl vibe. Like more than being futuristic, this is more like the bad girl vibe song. You know, the boss. I don't know what does novice mean.
감정들을 배운다. Watch me while I make it out. Watch me while I work it out. Watch me while I make it out. Watch me while I work it out. Work it out. 감당할 수 없는 절망도 내 믿음을 깨지 못해. 더 아픈 시련들마저도 난 잡은 손 놓지 않을게. Beat drop. Novice calling.
Okay.
절대로 뒤를 돌아보지 마라. 광야의 곁을 내지 마라. 약속이 깨지면 모두 걷잡을 수 없게 돼. 언제부턴가 불어내지 않은 신호. 널 파괴하고 말 거야. Come on, show me
I love this integration.
some more. Yeah. Black Mamba 만들어낸 광각 quest. aespa 아이로 분리시켜 먹길 원해. 그래 중심을 잃고 목소리도 잃고 비난받고 사람들과 멀어지는 착각 속에 난 미술이 아이들을 불러봐. aespa의 next level pulse를 열어봐. 이건 real world 깨어났어. We against the feeling. What's the name? Black Mamba.
These are like completely two different songs. I don't know if they have put two different songs because okay, this was a completely different vibe suddenly in between. Okay. Huh. Alright. I don't know how to feel about it. Because I mean the song when it starts, it puts you in a different mood, and then suddenly the entire feel, melody, beat, vibe, everything changes. And now suddenly it has like, because they go into that AI world and we see their AI version, and they see their avatars, so their avatars are in a completely different world. And then of course the same thing which happened with Black Mamba, the focus on her eyes, and then we come out and then again we get this beat drop. Huh. Okay. What are your thoughts? I have mixed feelings about this.
결국 난 문을 열어 그 빛은 내게 fire too hot too hot 난 궁금해 미치겠어 이 다음에 펼칠 story
The vocals are amazing though.
level 저 너머의 문을 열어 next level 널 결국엔 내가 부셔 next level 코스모에 닿을 때까지 next level check it out check it out check it out I'm on the next level 더 강해져 자유롭게 next level 난 광야의 내가 아냐
They literally look like anime characters. All four of these girls.
next level check it out check it out check it out
Ha. Okay. Alright. Can I just listen to this part again where their avatars come in?
언제부턴가 푸른 beat drop
Like,
나비스
wait.
oh beat drop 나비스 calling 절대로
So Navis, the word that they say Navis, I don't know what exactly that is. I'll find out. But now listen to
보지
this.
마라 광야의 곁은 내지 마
Okay. I have thoughts. I mean, tell me guys, what do you feel about this transition? I feel it's a little abrupt. I honestly feel like my honest opinion is like, because I was so into the song and suddenly that happens, because when she says beat drop and Navis, I thought something, I don't know what I was expecting, but I was expecting something in the similar lines of the beats of this song and the vibe of this song. And when that transition came in, it completely took me out of it. So I don't know how to feel about it. I'll listen to it a couple of more times, but in the first listen, I don't know. It feels a little bit off to me. What are your thoughts, guys? What are your thoughts? What do you feel about this? But otherwise, okay, let me stop this. Let me just listen to that again before stopping.
깨지 못해 더 아픈 시련이 맞아도 난 잡은 손 놓지 않을게
Are you listening to the vibe of the song?
beat drop 나비스 calling 절대로 뒤를 돌아보지 마라
I don't know.
광야의 곁은 내지 마라 약속이 깨지면 모두 걷혀버릴 수 없게 돼
I'll listen to it again. I'll listen to the full thing again. But guys, do let me know what are your thoughts. I don't know how to feel about it yet because it's sounding a little off to my ears because it's sounding two completely different songs. So in terms of the song melody, that's what I feel right now at this moment. And once I listen to it a couple of more times, maybe my opinion will change. But otherwise, looking at the overall MV, it's stunning. It's absolutely stunning. I mean, there's no question. What I was expecting is exactly this thing. Like it's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be next level. It's gonna be gorgeous. It's going to be very futuristic, and that is what I got, and I love it. That was completely a 10 on 10. All these four girls are looking just fantastic. Karina, Giselle, then we have Ninning, and the fourth girl, I'm sorry, I really am not able to recall her name. What's her name? Winter. Yes, Winter. So yes, all these four girls looking just next level. Like next level is the correct title for the song. And I don't know, for me, I just like my affinity. Karina, I don't know, something about her is so attractive. It's so attractive, and like she feels. Firstly, she doesn't feel like a human being to me. She really feels like some drop dead gorgeous angel that has just fallen from above. Amazingly, I don't know, her looks are so beautiful and unique. I have never seen a person like her ever in my life. she's really beautiful. Really, her features are stunning, and the vocals, I've always appreciated their vocals. The first song, the second song. In fact, the second song that I reacted to, their vocals really shined, and that's when I found out. That's when I actually came to know how beautiful their vocals are. And this was more of the bad girl, the bossy, kind of like the yo song, and I like the beats. But when that transition happened, I don't know how to feel about it. I really don't know how to feel about it. Love the costumes. The outfits are absolutely gorgeous. Every outfit, each and every outfit is stunning. No questions about it. So yes, that was my reaction. Those were my thoughts. I'm feeling a little underwhelmed because of that beat transition. I really don't know how to feel about it yet. But do let me know your thoughts. What did you feel? Were you like fine with it, or did you feel also like me? No, this was a little off. What happened suddenly? And because it took me out of the song completely. I was so into it and I was concentrating, and then suddenly that beat. I don't know. So yeah, that was it. Those were my thoughts. And I would love to read your thoughts in the comment section below. So yes, that was my reaction to aespa's Next Level. Congratulations to the aespa group for their comeback. And yes, I will definitely be looking forward to their next comeback whenever that happens. And yeah, all the aespa fandom, please support your artists, stream hard. And yeah, do subscribe to this channel if you're a K-pop lover. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.